Food boluses. Have you ever got a steak stuck in your throat? What about a hamburger or a hot dog? Well, this is the video for you. And if you want to skip to the main part, you can do it in the timestamp. I made this video because the rest of them on the internet are shit. Disclaimer, always make sure you consult with your medical doctor before you do anything that I say, but this is a quick and easy fix at home. And just to go over what a food bolus is, it's basically stuck in your esophagus, which is the tube that goes from your mouth all the way down into your stomach, and not in the trachea, because if you're watching this and you're choking to death, you probably need to call 911 or get someone to do the Heimlich. But this is where you're drooling, you just ate something and it won't go down, and it's kind of just stuck in the pit of your chest or in your stomach. You've tried swallowing more, you tried to get more food down, you vomit or you're drooling. Hopefully you're not aspirating here, but this is a quick and easy way to see if you can get it down at home before you jump and go to the emergency room. You only need to have 3 things here. Your ability to jump, make sure you're not an old lady and break your hip. You gotta be able to have a carbonated beverage of your choice, anyone that you want. And you gotta be able to keep on jumping on your heels. Land on your heels, people. Your heels. But I'll show it to you on the demonstration here. So, first prerequisite is the ability to jump. Make sure you're not an old lady that's gonna break your hip and you can jump a few times. Also, make sure there's a trash can or a bag around so you don't vomit. 2, have a carbonated beverage. This could be from anywhere from a Coke Zero. It could be sparkling water. It could just be anything that's carbonated. It doesn't have to be warm or cold. Just be able to have a little sip of it. You're gonna say, I'm gonna vomit it up. Well, you might, so that's why you have the trash can or the bag. Number 3, we'll make sure we'll go over a few things of anatomy here, but the heel, which is the back of the foot, you wanna land on this. You wanna have that jarring motion, jarring, until you can get all that down and the food bolus will go down. And here is the money here. So once we get our carbonated beverage, you open it up, take a small sip of it. Make sure you have your trash can around or a bag to vomit in if that happens to you. Take a very, very small sip of the carbonated beverage of your choice. Get it down just a little bit and immediately start jumping on your heels vigorously. Don't do this just once. Don't just get on your tippy toes and slam down. I'm talking jump high, jump fast in rapid succession, land on your heels. It should jar you to death. Keep doing, keep going, you'll get it down. If not, do it 2 to 3 more times with a little bit more carbonated beverage and go from there. If you can't get it down after a few minutes, you probably need to be seen. Either way, this should work for you pretty well. It's pretty much harmless unless you're an old lady. Don't aspirate, don't vomit all over yourself, don't embarrass yourself. But thank me later. If this helped you out in any way, like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for listening to my TED Talk.